Hi Virgo! Kamusta? Welcome back to Pinay Angel Tarot. This is your December kapalaran para sa mga Virgo. General love reading. Actually, love and career. Tingnan natin. Depende kung anong cards ang lalabas. Kamusta kayo guys? Comment present para alam kong nanonood kayo. Okay. Tingnan natin ang energies connected kay Virgo ngayon. Okay. So, simula tayo sa angel numbers. Angel numbers for Virgos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Persistence. Keep going. You have completed a task that is in alignment with your soul's journey. The divine is letting you know that it sees you and that all of your persistence is paying off. You are being acknowledged. Affirmation, I take steps to stay in alignment with my soul's journey and I reap the rewards of my persistence. Tiyaga, sipag at tiyaga daw Virgo. Magpatuloy ka lang sa mga ginagawa mo to align sa journey mo, sa soul's journey mo, sa purpose mo, sa buhay. Ayan, keep going. Magpatuloy lang. Comment, claim persistence. Okay? Kasi may reward to yung tiyaga mo. Ayan, comment, claim rewards, guys. O, diba? May pa-rewards. Okay, one more. 13, clarity. As the storm passes, the clarity is felt faster than lightning is seen against a dark sky. The divine is reminding you that clarity is readily available. All you have to do is ask. You have weathered the storm and now the sky is clearing. Affirmation, loving energy surrounds me and I trust that the clarity I feel is the answer I need. Paalis na daw yung bagyo at naliliwanagan ka na ngayon. Comment, claim clarity. Ayan. May loving energy. Comment, claim loving energy. Okay. 13. Isa pa. Ano pa ang angel numbers for Virgo? Okay, parang daming daming gustong lumabas ito. 10, growth. Spiritual awareness is opening you to all that you are ready to see. Your destiny is being fulfilled. Keep your intentions pure with your eyes looking ahead and you will continue to increase the growth that is here. Affirmation, the more I invest awareness in my growth, the closer I continuously become to the outcomes I am seeking. Comment, claim spiritual awareness, claim growth. Natutupad na daw yung destiny mo. Ang dapat mong gawin ngayon is panatilin mo na pure yung intention mo. Ayan. Okay? Be pure. So, comment mo dyan, my intentions are pure. Ayan. To claim this growth. Okay. From the tarot, overall energy is andito sa ilalim. Tingnan natin. Oh my gosh. 7 of Swords. May tinatago ka. Bakit to? Parang problemado ang Virgo. 9 of Swords. Page of Cups. Malungkot. Nada-down. And ayaw mo mag-open up eh. May sarili kang mundo na kung saan feeling mo ay ikaw yung nasusunod, ikaw yung tama. You are self-sabotaging. Okay? May nakita ko dito na being needy, this is a codependent connection. Unhealthy. So, baka toxic na masyado. Ayan, mukhang toxic na masyado to, guys. Check your ano bang gusto mo mangyari sa love life mo? Okay? Kasi parang nakita ko dito, gusto mo siya kasi kailangan mo siya. Tingin mo kailangan mo siya. At kailangan mo siya kasi feeling mo hindi ka sapat or feeling mo mahina ka. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, these are energies from the enemy. Okay? This is not good energy. And you need to cleanse and purify yourself, Virgo. Kita mo yung sad face, oh. Ang dami. Okay, so tanggalin natin yan. Okay. Being needy. Parang umaasa ka sa taong kadil mo na siya yung aahon sa'yo sa hirap na pinagdadaanan mo. Okay? Ginagamit mo lang yung utak mo. So, Yun lang, utak yung ginagamit mo eh. So, dapat gamitin mo din yung puso mo. I can see the Chariot and the King of Swords. Ang bilis ng energy, parang gusto mo mabilis mong nakukuha yung mga manifestation mo. So, ayun, baka masyado kang nagmamadali dito. So, you have here the Death card, 8 of Swords, the 8 of Pentacles, Emperor, and the Justice card. Merong ending na isang relationship na talagang hindi na healthy to. Mukhang dahil sa pera. And, may person dito na mataas ang pride. Okay. And then you have Knight of Wands, the 6 of Wands, the 8 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, and the Hermit. So, maraming tao sa paligid mo. Ang dami nangyayari sa buhay mo. Pero, itong certain person na to, masaya ka kasi tinutulungan yung isa't isa, sinusuportahan yung isa't isa. Pero, andito yung 5 of Pentacles kaya parang hindi na-appreciate kung anong meron. Parang palaging ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. So, I would say na no matter how chaotic it may seem, na you should appreciate the blessings. Kasi, itong mga changes na to nangyayari to remove energies na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo and to let new energies enter. Lalo na kasi mag-end na yung 2024 at mag-New Year na. Ayan, so, okay, baka may ka-deal kang Scorpio, Libra, Aries, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Itong person na nakikita ko dito ay nagkaroon kayo ng connection pero hindi nag-work out at parang feeling niya stuck siya eh. Feeling na na-stuck siya sa sitwasyon. Pero there is an ending. Ibig sabihin, nare-realize niya yon at gusto niyang umalis sa energy ng pagiging stuck. Okay. So, there's some sort of stability at responsibility, sense of responsibility, justice. Okay. So, ang nakita ko dito, person na may responsibilidad siya, pero may sarili din siyang selfish needs or not necessarily selfish but kasi ma-pride yung nakita ko dito eh, Emperor energy. May sarili siyang mga gusto mangyari sa buhay niya. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit nagsa-struggle kayong dalawa sa connection ninyo. Okay. Ikaw naman, maraming tao sa paligid mo. When it comes to this person, hindi ka 100% committed. Although yung nakikita ng mga tao is everything is good, everything is happy. Parang maganda tingnan, pero sa loob pala ay ito yun oh, 5 of Pentacles. Marami mga tinatago dito. At yun na nga, yung na-feel ko dito parang hindi nyo na-appreciate yung blessing kasi feeling mo palaging hindi sapat. So, napapagod ka dito para mag-workout yung sa finances mo, yung sa situation niyo. And ikaw mismo, gusto mo mag-workout to, pero may ugali ka din dito na parang palipat-lipat ka eh. Oh, kunyari, okay kayo nitong taong kadil mo, tas mamaya the next day, may ibang option ka na dun mo naman binibigay yung attention mo. So, syempre gusto mo mag-workout to, pero yeah, the reason kung bakit ka nagkakaroon ng doubts is dahil din mismo dito sa taong to na na-feel mo kasi yung ending dito eh. Na-feel mo yung ending kaya lalo ka na-challenge na para i-force na mag-workout. So, I feel like yung advice sa'yo is let time heal all wounds. Let time take its course. Okay? Sa relationship ninyo. Hindi kailangan ipilit. Kasi yung isa dito, stuck, habang yung isa naman ay nagsasaya. And then, when it comes to money, parang ang bilis. Sa bahay, maraming pag-uusap na nakikita ko dito. Sa kaperahan, parang yung isa ay bigay ng bigay. Tapos yung isa naman ay feeling niya hindi pa sapat. At nagka-clash kayo ng taong to. Magkaiba kayo ng gusto. So, you need to assess kung worth it pa ba yan, yung stay mo dyan sa connection na yan, sa taong yan. The Fool. You are taking a risk kahit sa totoo lang hindi mo din alam kung mag-workout ba. You are really holding on. Four of Pentacles. Okay. So, alam mo, masasabi ko lang, pag-isipan mo ulit. Kasi, baka hindi mo, kasi kung toxic na, di ba, tas nag-hold on ka pa rin, apektado ka rin eh. Naapektuhan ka rin. Okay. So, bottom of the deck is King of Swords. Ginagamit mo lang utak mo. Someone is backstab. Ten of Swords. May ending na dito eh. So, may kadikang air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ayan, ending na to ng isang connection. Two of Swords and the Five of Swords. The Moon. Gusto mapag-isa ngayon itong taong to. Ten of Wands and the Judgment card. So, ayan, hindi to sa lahat mag-resonate. Pero, sa nakita ko kasi, itong person na to ay, sinasabi niya dito, I'm done. Okay, tapos na siya. Ayan, oh. Tapos na siya. Feeling niya, this person was stabbed in the back. Okay. So, yun yung mga paulit-ulit sa isip ngayon nitong taong ka-deal mo, Virgo. Pwedeng baliktad, guys, ha? Pwedeng baliktad. Okay. Ano bang feeling sa'yo nitong taong to? The Hangman, sakripisyo. Parang stuck. Feeling niya stuck siya. Ayan. Alam mo, you cannot trust this person. Ayun kasi yung nakikita ko dito eh. So, I guess huwag mo ipilit yung tao na nag-let go na. Ayan, Death card is here. King of Wands, may iba siyang ka-deal. King of Wands and the Three of Wands, Page of Swords. Sino-stalk niya? Yung other person niya. High Priestess, the Empress. In love siya dun sa other person. Nine of Cups, the Hierophant. King of Pentacles, the Magician. Okay? So, it's very clear to me na yung taong ka-deal mo na, well, sadly, pinipilit mo or hindi mo siya binibitawan eh. Pero, this person is in love with someone else. Anong gustong sabihin nitong taong to sa'yo? So, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat, guys, ha? Pero, kung ikaw to, comment mo dyan para alam ko. Anong gustong sabihin niya sa'yo? I'm going through a lot right now. I need space and time to gather my thoughts. So, gusto niya ng space at ng panahon. I know you are my soulmate, babe. Our bond is magnetic. I'm seeing all the signs. Okay. Pero alam mo, nakikita ko dito, ito yung sa taong gusto niya. I couldn't give to you like I wanted to because I'm still healing from my past. Okay. Nag-heal siya. Anything else? I don't care what people think anymore. I've been given bad advice. I'm listening to my intuition. I know you are the one. Alam mo, this is someone na parang hindi ka na niya naririnig. Nakafocus siya dun sa other person. Sobrang in love siya dun sa other person. Yeah, merong Empress energy eh. Yung tingin niya sa other person is yun yung divine counterpart niya. Ano pang mga energies connected dito? Tingnan natin. So, kung hindi man siya yung the one para sa'yo, edi hanapin mo yung para sa'yo talaga. I-manifest mo. Okay? Yun yung advice ko sa'yo dito. Kasi kung pinipilit mo at hindi naman siya masaya sa'yo, ikaw din yung mahihirapan sa dulo. Sorry na, oops. Okay. Excited. Hurt healing. Ayaw, ayoko. Sa bottom, selfish. Okay. Ikaw pa rin, I still love you. Yeah, may iba siyang kadil eh. Anything else? Akin ka lang, possessive. Someone is possessive. Money issue, work. Strong, mahal pa rin kita. Okay. Magkakaayos ba si Virgo at itong person na to? Tingnan natin, guys. Distance, you and your partner may be physically or emotionally distant. Move on, someone is unavailable, a waste of time, it's over. Ayan, LDR, tapos nag-move on na. They'll be back, expect to hear from them soon. Baka may mensahe gustong iparating sa'yo or gustong sabihin sa'yo. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gold digger, they want your money being used. Okay. Advice para kay Virgo. Teka. Kuha pa ako ng additional message, guys. Ano pa ba ang gustong sabihin nitong taong to kay Virgo? Drama. I need to figure myself out. It's all too much. I'm stuck in visions of us together. If I could go back in time, I would handle us differently. Ayan, may pagsisisi. Okay. Anong advice for Virgo? Advice kay Virgo. At mensahe galing sa angels ni Virgo. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Nagkakape kasi ako. So, inner power, the Divine Father. Divine Father, thank you for co-creating my world with me. Ayun, oh. So, you are co-creating with the Divine Father. Kaya mo ayusin ang sarili mo. Okay? Meron nang nagpapastress sa'yo. New beginning. Thank you, angels, for opening up the doors to change. I am ready. Okay, comment, claim new beginning. Comment, I am ready. Ang ganda nito, may bagong portal na nagbubukas. You have to be ready and you have to accept the new beginning. I feel like binabalance mo yung lighter side and yung dark side mo. Okay, advice is being enough. The innermost heart says you are enough, nowhere to go, nothing to get, nothing to change. No need to grow more deserving. You, yes, you are love. Wala ka nang hihilingin pa. Sapat ka na, Virgo. Wala ka nang babaguhin sa sarili mo at nasa sayo na mismo yung love. Ikaw mismo yung love. So, comment, I am enough. Ayan, comment, I am enough to claim. Ayan. Okay, guys. So, that's all I have for you, Virgo, for your December kapalaran. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment kung nagustuhan nyo ba or nag-resonate ba. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos to come. And kung kailangan nyo ng gabay, you can book a private reading. Nasa description box po lahat ng details. Message na kayo sa akin through Viber or WhatsApp para mas mabilis. And check out my Instagram if you want to start your crystals journey. May mga bracelets, crystal bracelets na iba-ibang benefits. Meron pang attract ng love, money, spiritual protection, for calming and relaxing, motivation, focus, mental clarity, motivation, vitality, wealth, prosperity, and abundance. So, tingnan nyo na lang doon at pa-follow na din ng Instagram ko kasi kailangan ko yung support nyo. Thank you, Virgo! I love you guys. I'll see you again soon. Have a good day. God bless you all and stay safe. Bye!